Just days before the Tennessee primary election, state and local leaders are being called out on social media. Voters are concerned about pictures taken at the Hamilton County Republican Party's Lincoln Day dinner this past weekend, showing almost no one wearing a mask. Channel 3's Travis Cummings joins us live with details. Travis?
Yes, Cindy, hundreds attended the annual Lincoln Day dinner here in Hamilton County. We're told it's one of the largest turnouts they've ever had. Now, candidates say they want constituents to be less worried about mask wearing and more about who they're voting for this Thursday.
As the Tennessee August 6th primary election heats up, so does voters' opinions about the candidates in the running. Last Friday, both former U.S. Ambassador to Japan, Bill Hagerty, and trauma surgeon Dr. Manny Sethi in line for that Tennessee U.S. Senate seat were among hundreds who attended the annual Lincoln Day dinner in Hamilton County. Both posted pictures at the event on social media. Many of them show people gathered closely and not wearing masks, sparking feedback from a worried public during the COVID-19 health crisis. Channel 3 reached out to both candidates for comment. Dr. Sethi's campaign saying, quote, "There are much bigger things to focus on than masks. After all, there is an election on Thursday, and voters care way more about who will represent our state's values than they do about tattling on a doctor not wearing a mask." Bill Hagerty's saying they're tired of mandates and being told what to do by the government, and that Bill, quote, "trusts the good people of Tennessee to make the right decision for themselves." Sheriff Jim Hammond was also on the guest list and seen without a face covering.
People had their mask on when they came in there in the Trade Center. You got your temperature checked, then you signed a waiver saying you understood the risk you were taking by being in a group for a dinner like.
He says with a high recovery rate and only certain people being at risk, it comes down to reason and personal responsibility.
I made a choice not to wear a mask while I was moving around in the crowd a little bit. That was Jim Hammond's choice. But reason says that you first of all check your own health. Make sure that you're feeling well and that you have no symptoms that would fall in line. Secondly, that if you're asked in a facility, a business, to wear a mask, you should cooperate and wear that mask.
And Sheriff Hammond says that no citations have been issued since the mask mandate went into effect nearly a month ago. Reporting in Hamilton County, from home, Travis Cummings, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.